Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay TikTok Shop. At ang sender natin ay si JF Store PH.
Anong sabi mo?
So ito guys, ang order ko is raincoat. So titignan natin guys kung legit siya seller or hindi. I-unbox na natin guys.
Sinungaling!
So guys, legit siya seller guys. Talagang raincoat yung pinadala. Ano yata to guys? Ito yung Pocho Pocho. Tama ba? Yes guys, Pocho Pocho to guys. So legit siya guys. Thank you for watching.